Chef top-loading compact washer in white with silver trim offers a slim and space-saving design, a lifesaver for homes with limited room and smaller wash loads. It's equipped with modern attributes such as a durable stainless steel wash tub, a digital control panel with soft touch control buttons and indicator lights, and a lift and folding top lid with an integrated viewing window. Likewise, the performance features include 6 automatic wash cycles, 6 water level selections to deliver flexible cleaning options and fabric care, and a pulsator, which generates strong and weak water flows that rotate your clothes for a more even wash. Near the end of the wash and rinse cycles, the water is extracted from both the tub and garments by spinning up to 800 RPMs, while operating quietly thanks to its noise reduction design. Its convenience amenities include a delayed start feature, which begins the selected cycle anytime you desire, along with the LED display, which relays the remaining time of the selected wash cycle. The washer automatically shuts off when the selected program finishes, as the end of cycle signal alerts you. Front leveling legs help stabilize the washer on uneven surfaces, while the built-in rear wheels provide placement flexibility before and after use. Plus, it easily connects to your faucet with the included Quick Connect adapter kit and hoses. So stop collecting quarters. This compact washer will relieve you of the difficulties experienced at the laundry.
Fits any space and even designs the space. World's first wall-mounted mini washer. It now designs your lifestyle. Stylishly cube-shaped with added smoothness, Mini's elegant design can suit any space in your home. Mini gives you a new and convenient washing experience. Don't worry about piling up laundry. With Mini, you can wash small loads of laundry right away. Mini can wash any kind of clothing just as if hand-washed. Add convenience to your busy life with a 15-minute quick wash. Mini takes special care of your baby as well. With hot water set to 95 degrees Celsius, Mini completely removes any detergent residue or dirt and sterilizes fabrics, protecting the sensitive skin of your baby. The Drum Clean feature keeps your washer clean at all times, taking your worries away. Enjoy its useful features and chic design. Upgrade your lifestyle with Mini.
Flex Dispense lets you customize the way you wash with a dedicated compartment for softeners, detergent packs like Tide Pods, detergent, and Custom Add, which lets you add common ingredients like vinegar to your wash load. To unleash the power of Custom Add, connect the washer to the Smart HQ app. Then select your additive and when you want it to dispense during the wash cycle. It's total flexibility for the ultimate clean. That's why we call it Flex Dispense.
This is definitely not your mom's washing machine. A Whirlpool high-efficiency top-load washer makes doing laundry easier than Mom could have ever dreamed. Just choose what you want to wash and how you want to wash it. The machine's unique adaptive wash technology does the rest, taking the guesswork out of choosing the right wash cycle and water temperature. Sensors adjust water automatically, so exactly the right amount is used for each and every load. Instead of an agitator, a low-profile impeller circulates a concentrated mix of water and detergent more thoroughly. It's gentle on clothes and tough on dirt. Plus, it leaves more room for your clothes, and a larger capacity means fewer loads, which means less time in the laundry room and more time in the family room. Our precision dispenser releases exactly the right amount of detergent and fabric softener at exactly the right points in the cycle, and bleach is automatically diluted with water to help keep whites pristine. Just fill and forget it. Whirlpool high-efficiency top-load washer. What would Mom think of that?